now.
Alright, perfect. This is Ulvajankatu 79 staircase B. We have also the staircase A, but we don't have time for it because we have to go take the bus back to Tampere. First, but this is in Valkeakoski, Pirkanmaa, Finland. And let's see when this was built. 1984, and this has to be over 1984 because it was finished then. The serial number is VS6649 and it's going to be inspected in next year, 2022. So I'm 35 years old in 2019. The serial number is, capacity is 4 person or 305 grams. That's amazing. Fabulous.
Asuntoskehtiö välikari.
And as the building behind next to us is 11 to 13, it's finished 1971.
Yeah.
But we got two similar ones that were open.
Yeah.
Maybe also were finished 1971. We can take a second silent ride.
Yeah. Spektiitpaa kiva inspektio. Mietin päin also on discretis.
Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. And we'll look at this thing next time.
That's